guys, today we're gonna make something really simple. I always say it's easy and fast, but this is really simple. It's just a little pocket, and by the time you get it put together, it's completely attached, but you have these little sections to put fun things in. And I'm gonna show you how you can make the top any shape you want. Let's get started. So this is what the template's gonna look like, and you're gonna print it off onto heavy cardstock. And I'll explain the dotted lines. So this one, I wanted to do it as a leaf. So you can see how this fits in here and here, but you have this room to stamp whatever image or cut out any image that you would like for the top of it. After you printed it out, I printed it out without the dotted lines, but you'll have dotted lines on yours so you have a guide where to go. This is what I've got. And then I actually am going to stamp the big image first, and then I'm going to cut it out. And let's just stamp this little guy. Okay, I'm gonna cut him out. And to be safe, I'm just gonna start like that. So before I cut this, I'm gonna fold this up and see where I really want it to go. I'm just going to fold these. So this one gets folded in. This piece gets folded out. And this one gets folded in. Now I can see where this is going to be, so I think I'm just going to start cutting out here. So I even could have gone down a little further, but I think this works really, really well. Okay, so I know from about here to here, I'm going to have room that I'm going to see. Add this inside so I don't accidentally stamp on it. Kind of mask this off so I don't get that. And if it goes underneath here, it doesn't matter. You're not going to see it, but at least it won't mess that part up. And I'm just going to use vines for this. But you can take any stamp you have and use bits and parts and pieces of it or things that relate to each other and block the areas off and do something fun for each area. I think I'm going to add a little distressing ink too. But you could just wax it. You could actually use watercolor and paint it in. And then I'm going to wax it. I'm going to use a clear wax first. That's what I always do on my papers, clear wax and then dark wax. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just staple him now. You could even sew him. That's what I do with some of mine, is I just sew a small seam here and a small seam here. And do two on this side. One right here. And then you have all these fun little pockets you could put little things into. And then you could put a hanger on it if you'd like to, and you have a cute little cone. So after you make your cute little pocket, You could add cording, or I'm thinking even this cute little sari silk would be really cute to hang these little cones. I said you could do any theme that you would like. And if you don't even want to stamp, you could just take the generic template, and I just copied this onto double-sided cardstock and folded it up, and then you have a cute little image too. But if you want to be really creative, whatever theme it is, you can just stamp the top, work on each piece, and come up with cute little pockets. You could put straws or drieds or notes or napkins or silverware, whatever you can think of, but have fun.